Two receivers right, one left. Salmon rolling to his right, looking, throws, and that is caught. Caught by a Demon receiver inside the 40, 35-30, inside the 25, out of bounds for a first down. Move those chains. Lugoff Elgin.
Tyler, that looked like Gunnar Cato.
Yes, it was. Little Gunnar Cato. He was wide open. Great route running by Gunnar. That's a huge first down for this Demon offense. Formation, Salmon going to pitch far side to Burton, trying to get the edge into the end zone. Touchdown, Lugoff Elgin. The Demons couldn't score all game last week against Nation Ford, and they do it on their first drive here against West Florence. They strike first blood. The DBs are spread out. Three receivers right, one left. Miller back to pass, plenty of time. Throws this one deep over the middle. Intercepted by Lugoff Elgin. Inside West Florence territory. Inside the 40, down inside the 35. The Demons are in business.
That was Lorenzo Porti playing the safety. Played that play outstandingly. Just a good return as well. Broke a couple of tackles to get up the field and put the Demons in position.
Hot, calling all freaks.
Third and inches. They didn't give him the first down. Out of the eye. Oh, Salmon's going to pass. Rolling to his right. Being chased. 30, that's caught. Inside the 35-30. 25-20. 15-10. Changes directions. Can he get into the end zone? Touchdown. Touchdown. Lugoff Elgin. Touchdown. Demons from 41 yards out. And the Demons extend the lead. They make it a two-score game. Jermaine Jenkins on the touchdown reception. Get you some, Jermaine.
What was awesome is his brothers in arms, the receivers out there, kept blocking for him for a good 5 or 6 seconds throughout that play.
Can the Demons hold tight? Stays at fourth down, half the distance to the goal. Bowman Hiller under center. The Demons pack tight in the goal line. 13-3 Demons lead. Here's the pitch, far side. Gets tackled in the backfield. No go. Woo! No go.
Do you know who that was?
10-yard loss.
My boy Bryant shooting into the backfield to solidify himself as a defensive player of the game.
Pat yourself on the back. Tyler, they've been trying to flirt with that wide side of the field all night on that toss.
I want to know where Bryant has been all year long.
You thought they shot themselves in the foot with the penalty that took off the 3 points. West Florence goes for it, and they're denied.
I haven't seen anything like that from them in 2 years of football.
I haven't either, and I've called all of them. The sideline is happy, and I think that will officially do it.
18 games is a long time.
Yes, it is. The building blocks are there. The community, the fans, the players, they're starting to believe. A change is coming for Lugoff Elgin Demon football, and they win their first game of the 2015 season, 13-3. They defeat the West Florence Knights, their first win since 2013. An 18-game losing streak snapped, done, kaput. Lugoff Elgin is a winner over West Florence.
Mother...